My dear friends, welcome back to my no. Talking about crypto today. The crypto, sleeping giant. Like last days we don't talk, I have my own problems, try to handle my own stuff. So, what's going on? I want to present you some charts today. I want to show you what was the bottom. What was the bottom? Don't listen to these talking heads. We are going to $3,000. That's all bullshit. I think we already passed the bottom. Okay. What was the bottom? What will be peak and when will be peak? Okay, so very interesting video, and I just want to support you guys because I know it's not an easy time. In all this world, of evil, when they want to depopulate people, as I want to people, you own nothing, you can be happy, right? Like Schwab say, all I can say it's their way. It's not our way. Our way is different. Our way is prosperity. Our way is happiness. Our way is support. We need to support one another, and we need to do a good things, guys. The new vibration, new era of, I told you, Pisces, era of Pisces is gone, right? We are in a new era. So it's this new era. We need to, to be creative. So let me show you, what I think about future and how I think, I'm not in politics, okay, guys, but you need to understand that their agenda is depopulate you. Mask, wax, war, food, hungry, you will be hungry, you will not have food, you will not have electricity, it will be blackouts, no electricity, it's coming, guys. It's coming, but this is their way. This is what they want, us to be. They want us to be slaves, okay? But our way is creative way. Okay, so let's see what I think about crypto and this bottom and tops, let's see. So what is going on? You see Bitcoin going up, going down, going out like 3-4 months. Nothing to talk, really, guys. I told you. The Bitcoin in the next half year will be wobbling between like 17 up to 25, And let's see if I'm right or no. You see I'm right, It never fell below 18,500 something. It never rise above 21, 22 something, right? You see, silverGameOfThrone is a smart egg. Okay, so let's see some, charts. Let's see. Okay, so it's BLX, all in Bitcoin history. Okay, just repeat you what is going on here. So you see 55x the first time we went. Second time less, 3x less, 15x. And this time even less, 4x, right? Because we went from 20,000 to 70 something thousand, right? So no one expected so low, right? You see, from here to here, sorry. No one expected so low, only for 4x, okay? Everyone was thinking Bitcoin, I also was thinking, but I will show you why. I will show why. I understand last days what's going on, and I want to share with you. There are so much money in this world, and Bitcoin become very heavy. So it's less spark up. It's less go down. You understand? So don't listen to these people who Bitcoin 100, 200K. I also was telling 200K, but probably I was wrong. I agree, I was wrong, because the Bitcoin behavior changed, guys, okay? And we need to be aligned on this. So I always look on big guys what they are doing, because they're selling nothing. Grayscale, hold 650,000, almost 1 million Bitcoin, and they are not really selling. They sold 1,000 Bitcoin, guys. 1,000 Bitcoins, they're just holders, okay? Holders. So same for ETH, same for Ethereum Classic, 12 million, they are holding. Litecoin, almost 1.5 million, they are holding. Bitcoin Cash, 310, half of Bitcoin, they are holding. Zcash, brother Zcash, 300K, they are holding, okay? What they are selling? The junk, Mana, XLM, then little bit they holding. I don't know, I kind of, I don't really like this kind of copy of Zcash. Why I need to keep copy? Okay, this all junk. This is, to support their trading. Okay, so bottom line, they are holding. Okay, stock to flow model. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Where I think Bitcoin next peak. So stock to flow model, everyone knows, right? It shows us what is a halving. So blue, I put halvings, and we see even years 12. 2016, 2020, 2024, every 4 years right? We have halving. Usually, what is the top? And it was always like that because Bitcoin is pure mathematics. Every 4 years, but plus 1 year. More or less, it is from 8 to 12 months, okay? Plus 1 year. 13, 17, 21, and my expectation, Bitcoin next peak will be beginning of 2025. Yeah, it will be somewhere in December. Why I think this? Because Bitcoin halving, it's always shrink. The time is less. Okay, there are reasons why watch videos, why Bitcoin halving it always less. You know, it started from 4 years and 3.10, 3.8, now 3.5. It always shrink, right? Less and less Bitcoin, only 2 million left. I think it's not 2 million, it's even maybe 1.5 million left, you know, very less. So next expectation in March, but many people say it will be maybe January, February, okay, 2024. Usually around 8 months. So what I did, March plus 8, it will be December 2025. Okay, don't catch me on this, but you guys know, once you get this halving, you can attach 8 months for this, and you will know when less or more it will be halving. Also, Bitcoin knows to do, you know, you see, he did twice top, right? Twice top, okay? Here it also was 1 and it was near, okay? So don't be surprised when Bitcoin you see also, but the second one is always less than first one. You know, you will have 2-3 months to understand. And if you sell Bitcoin like not really like on top on 70, 80 or trade your Bitcoin, it's also fine, right? Now our question, what we are going to do in next, how much? It's almost 2025 now, and almost 2023 in next 2 years, right? 2.5 years. Okay, so we need to survive around 2.5 years. You have balls, you can survive, you will be golden. If you buy on a last shekel or last dollar or last year, I'm sorry for you guys. I told you many times. Crypto is not the way to put all your assets. No. The crypto is for smart ape minimum 2-3 years, guys, minimum. And you always need to understand where you on the bottom, right? Right now we on the bottom. I'm going to show you why I think 18K was the bottom. Okay, so you got me. The peak will be December 2025. Okay, 8 months from halving. Halving will be in March, somewhere in December 2025. Okay, Bitcoin halving we talk. Now I will show you a couple of indicators, just you understand where was the bottom of Bitcoin. Again, I will repeat, was, because many people, oh, we expect Bitcoin. Good luck. So you can see here, this is market cap, realized cap, okay? Realized cap is now people making profit. So if you here, you making profit, okay? And you probably sell, okay? If you here, you in a lost, okay? You are in a lost. So what is telling me? Look here, lost. Look here, lost, right? Look here, lost, okay? So this all lost, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is all lost, guys. You understand? This is people in lost. Okay. So where we are today, my friends? Where we are today? Look here. Look here. We are on this green zone. We are at lost. Okay, one indicator. It was no better time to buy Bitcoin where you in this green zone, because you see the realized cap is so small. There is most people, 89%, they are in loss. They were buying here, guys. Yeah, you understand? This is how we behave. The most people were buying here. Now they are in loss. There was never better time to buy. Next, net unrealized profit divided on loss. You see market cap minus realized cap on market cap. Very similar, but a little bit different. And this is good. I'll show you. So, as you can see here, you see euphoria, greed. This is where people are selling. You see, we touch it, we touch it, we touch it. Now, when last time we almost touched it, we didn't went to inferior. That's why I was thinking Bitcoin go much higher, but it's not the case. Why? Now you see this trend, guys. The trend is going down. The trend is going down because Bitcoin become heavy. So my expectation, maybe next time it only went to believe, denied, on this green zone. It even will not touch the euphoria. You understand? Because it's Bitcoin become very heavy animal, very heavy. It's $1 trillion asset. It's not like it was very light. You see, it's sparked up, sparked down. You see this trigger. You see the trigger which we have now is going to much less. And in the end of the day, it will be line. You need to understand. No one is talking about this. It's only me. It will be just a line because Bitcoin will become very stable. Let's say Bitcoin become $500,000, $1 million. That's it. It will be maybe go up and down, maybe 100K. You understand? This is how it is, because it's very turbulent from beginning, but then it becomes more stable, okay? This is very important point. Also, if I look from the bottom, okay, let me show you the bottom. You see, the bottom is going kind of hyperbola. You see this? Much more, much less, and maybe it will just stay here. Maybe next time it will not even go to this capitulation zone. You understand? Maybe it will go like this. You understand? So we need to be very careful, when we look on such thing. But minimum, what I can understand from this chart, it was now better time to buy Bitcoin, and probably this was the bottom, okay? We already was in the bottom, okay? Around 500K, 18,500K, okay? Next, our hodl ratio. It's one of the best. 1 week on 1 to year. 1 week is a traders, right? These stupid people who try to make 1 cent and lost everything on leverages. I put leverages 10x, 20x. Oh, I lost my house. You are an idiot. Why you put your house on leverages? I never understood these people. It's just pure. These sharks who run this world, they know everything. They are smarter 1 million times than you. So you just give them a gift, by leveraging your hard-earned money, okay? Never do this. So what I want to show you here, okay, again. So short holders, the short holders sell here because they trade, they make profits, they make profits. You see, it doesn't reach the zone even, guys. And again, what we can see here, it's going down. It's going down. You see, the peak is going down. This we never reach even 100K this time. We went to 60, 70K. Boom. That's it. The same is for bottom. As the bottom is going up. No one is talking about it, but this is what I try to tell you guys. This range is narratives. You see, it's going close and close and close and close. But it was never better time to buy Bitcoin when it is in a green zone, okay? This still stay, it will be higher, you see it going higher, and now we just touch this green zone, okay? And if you guys think it will go into $3,000, it's not the narratives which we see today. No. So don't listen to talking heads. Be smart apes. Smart ape, and and you have your own opinion. I think this is the narrative what we have now, and this is going to be in the middle, okay? In the end of the day, when Bitcoin will be 1 million, it will be middle. It will be any such thing like we have today. You still can make money because it's so volatile. When Bitcoin will be 1 million, forget about this. It will be stable like a fiat. You understand? But it will happen maybe in the end of this decade, maybe in a couple of cycles when Bitcoin, came, to nothing, maybe a couple of 100,000 Bitcoin left, okay? Now it's still volatile. Now it's still the best time to buy. Now on low, below $20,000, okay? I don't believe it will go below 18. This is me. And I show you why, okay? And you guys make your own opinion. So I show you today that we are at the bottom, and I show you where the next peak Okay, when is the next peak? 2025. And if you have balls to survive this next 2 years, okay, just accumulate, okay, have your own salary, you know, have your own life paycheck, okay, don't pay attention on this, okay, just forget. This is the way you need to forget, okay, maybe play a little bit, but most it's accumulation. You will be golden in a couple of years. You will be golden. You will remember Silver Game of Thrones. But now is the time to do what? Right, accumulate on a low price. The same for silver gold. Accumulate. Fiat time is, you know, numbered. We are going down. The ship is going down. Okay, this is another plus for Bitcoin. Initially, it is taking Bitcoin down, and you can see here that Bitcoin, you know, went to 13,000, sorry, 18,000, 19,000. It's wobbling, you know. But in the end of the day, it will recover because it's limited mathematically. You cannot print it. And when it will recover, I don't know. Maybe in these 2 years, we also will see some spark, right? You see spark here. You see, then again, spark here. You know, we'll see some sparks. We'll see some spark for sure, okay? But I believe the most you can get in 2 years, okay? Patient guide, and like, subscribe, hit notification. Love you all. Bye-bye.